Happy birthday, Nat Nat! Wish ko sana maging strong kang bata. Na sana hindi ka magkasakit, lahat ng pangarap mo matupad mo. Kahit ano pa yan, susuportahan ka namin.
God bless you, anak. May you grow in the image of God, full of wisdom, and we wish you talaga, anak, na maging healthy ka, and then sana magkaroon ka ng maraming magagandang memories. Sana hindi ka magkasakit at lumaki kang malusog. We love you, Nat Nat.
Wish you all the best.
Sa atin pong pagdiriwang, inyong pinapahayag ang inyong pagnanais na sila'y mabinyagan upang makiisa sa buhay ng Diyos at makaanib ng ating simbahan.
Whatever you do, just don't look down. You won't know what's out there if you don't find out. Good days start right now. Good days start right now. Good days start right now.
Panginoon naming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, we thank you for this day, Panginoon, sa pagkakaloob niyo po ng buhay kay Natnat at sa kanyang pamilya, Panginoon.
Mona Lisa, you're a star. Let that spotlight shine on you. Adventure awaits. The time is now. You won't know what's out there if you don't find out.
good health, long life, and syempre success in every part of your life when you grow up. And syempre happy family and very full of blessings. God bless, Nat Nat.
Alright. Pagdating nyo sana maging mabait ka at hindi ka tulad ka ng tao.
Laki ka, mabait, magalang, mahalang lahat. Mahal kong si Mami, si Daddy, si Lola, si Kuya, at mga tito Lola. Ha? I love you!
Sana lumaking mabait, masunurin sa mga sinasabi. Love you! Happy birthday!
Good days start